speed, style, and surprise, the 2024 Ferrari SF90 XX Spider is ready to deliver on all three. This limited edition speedster takes Ferrari's acclaimed SF90 supercar and transforms it into an even more exclusive open-top thrill ride. But can it really surpass expectations? Welcome back to Cars in the Future. Today we're going full throttle with the 2024 Ferrari SF90 XX Spider. It's fast, it's furious, and it's more than just a car. It's a revolution in automotive engineering. Get ready, because we're about to put the pedal to the metal. The XX Spider exudes an aura of exclusivity and sophistication. This form isn't merely decorative, it's a product of precise engineering designed to maximize downforce. Upon closer inspection, the unique front splitter stands out. Fine-tuned in a wind tunnel and complemented by a redesigned underbody, it optimizes airflow. The expanded front diffuser, paired with new vortex generators and blown ducts in the bumper, mitigates overpressure. Dual S-ducts on the hood and 3 louvers on the wings further differentiate the X from the standard SF90 Spider. Resting on 20-inch wheels, the car can be customized with darker, matte-finished or carbon fiber wheels for added impact. The modified headlight design incorporates vertical wing profiles, giving the car a more angular visage. The retractable hardtop roof, made from carbon fiber, is a standout feature of the SF90 XX Spider. It opens in just 14 seconds at speeds up to 28 mph, lending the car a unique silhouette with lower flying buttresses compared to the SF90 XX Stradale. The color options for the XX Spider are as distinctive as the car itself. From Giallo Modena to Bianco Avus, the solid palette includes a variety of traditional Ferrari hues. For those desiring a more unique look, the metallic historical and special palettes offer additional shades like Blue Scotia, Nero Daytona, and the matte-finished Rosso Le Mans 2023. Once you open the door of the XX Spider, you're welcomed by an interior that's both luxurious and minimalist. It's a space that's been thoughtfully designed, with every detail serving a purpose. The SF90 XX models stand out with their unique features. Carbon fiber elements are a key part of the design, adding a sporty touch to the elegant interior. It's not just about looks, though. This lightweight material also contributes to the car's overall performance. And let's talk about those seats. The monocoque bucket seats in the SF90 aren't just for sitting, they're part of the driving experience. They hold you snugly, providing support as you navigate corners at high speeds. This car is a true powerhouse. It boasts an impressive 0 to 62 mph time of just 2.3 seconds, making it one of the fastest road-legal cars in the world. But speed isn't its only strength. The SF90 XX Spider is equipped with a V8 engine and 3 electric motors, delivering a combined output of a staggering 1016 horsepower. This hybrid system not only provides incredible power, but also contributes to the car's exceptional performance and speed. Under the hood of the XX Spider, we find a 3.99-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. This engine alone generates a whopping 786 horsepower at 7,900 revolutions per minute and 593 pounds-feet of torque at 6,250 revolutions per minute. But the powertrain doesn't stop there. The SF90 XX Spider also features a hybrid system with 3 electric motors. These motors contribute an additional 229 horsepower, bringing the total output to an impressive 1016 horsepower. One motor is nestled between the V8 and the gearbox, and 2 more are on the front axle, enhancing the car's overall performance. The Spider also boasts an aerodynamically optimized body. This includes features like a distinctive front splitter, a larger front diffuser, and a new fixed rear wing. These elements work together to manage airflow effectively, increase downforce, and ensure stability at high speeds. The all-new 2024 Ferrari SF90 XX Spider is expected to hit the roads in the final quarter of 2024. European deliveries are likely to precede those in the USA, so it's possible that this car will arrive in America as a 2025 model. As for the pricing, the SF90 XX Spider, with its more complex retractable top, is priced higher than the SF90 Stradale. The cost translates to an MSRP of around $925,000, making it a seven-figure purchase with a few options added. Despite the steep price, all 599 examples of the SF90 XX Spider have already been sold out. The SF90 XX Spider does have a limitation when it comes to cargo space. Due to the car's design and performance focus, the storage capacity is somewhat limited. However, for a car of this caliber, it's a small trade-off for the incredible performance and driving experience it offers. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the 2024 Ferrari SF90 XX. What's your favorite feature of this car? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Cars in the Future for more.